Hello friends, today we discuss about MCQ in Polity. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Protection of which one of the following is a fundamental duties of an Indian citizen? Village Panchayat, national flag, scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, wildlife. Right option is option number D. According to Article 51A, it shall be the duty of every citizen of India to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions, the national flag and national anthem, and to protect and improve the natural environment including forests, lakes, river and wildlife, and to have compassion for living creature. So option D is correct answer. Next, it shall be the duty of every citizen of India to protect and improve the natural environment. The above statement refers to which of the following articles of the Constitution of India? Article 21, Article 48A, Article 51A, Article 56. Right option is option C, Article 51A. It shall be the duty of every citizen of India to protect and improve the natural environment is mentioned under Article 51A, Clause Z in the Fundamental Duties Part 4A. Next, which one of the following is incorrect? Fundamental duties are the part of the fundamental rights. Fundamental duties are not a part of fundamental rights. Fundamental duties are enumerated in Part 4A of the Indian Constitution. Article 51A explain the duties of every citizen. Right option is option number A. Fundamental duties are not part of the fundamental duties are not are the part of the fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are not part of fundamental duties are not parts of fundamental rights. Is wrong, so it's in options is incorrect is A. Fundamental duties are not a part of fundamental rights. Fundamental duties are enumerated in Part 4A of the Indian Constitution. Article 51A explain the duties of the every citizens of India. The given statements A is incorrect because the fundamental duties are not a part of the fundamental rights. Rather than fundamental duties are included in the Constitution of India through 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976 by adding a new part 4A of the Indian Constitution, which currently enumerated 11 duties for every citizen of India. Next, which one of the following is not a fundamental duty? To respect the national anthem, to safeguard public property, to protect monuments and places of public importance, to protect and improve the natural environment. Right option is option number C. To protect the monument and place of public importance. It's not fundamental duty. Fundamental duties are that to respect the national anthem, to safeguard public property, to protect and improve natural environment, to protect monuments and places of the public importance is not mentioned under Article 51A of the Indian Constitution. Next, how many fundamental duties are there is in the Indian Constitution? 9th, 11th, 12th and 13, 20 and 20. Right option is option B, 11. There are 11 fundamental duties in Part 4A of the Indian Constitution. Originally there were 10 fundamental duties, but 11 duties were added by 86th Amendment Act 2002. 51A Clause K was added for parents or guardians.